Hundreds of families are evacuated from northern Philippine provinces, which experienced strong winds and heavy rain from Typhoon Nika. We have this report.
Strong winds brought by Nika battered Santiago City in Isabela. Several trees were toppled. The storm also blew away roofs of homes. The rain got worse around noon, causing near zero visibility. Residents near the City Hall were forced to evacuate to the local disaster office.
Bumagsak na po yung bubong niya. Yun po. Tapos yung yero, nagsiliparan na rin. Nasa loob po ako ng bahay. Ang akala ng kapitbahay ko, nataganan na ako doon. Nakalabas po ako kagad.
Around 200 families in Santiago City were evacuated. The downpour slightly subsided around noon, prompting emergency workers to remove a fallen tree. The storm also felt in central Isabela. Homes were damaged in Cabatuan town. Rice fields in Alicia town were flooded. Several bridges were also flooded in Kawayan and Ilagan City after a river overflowed. Local disaster officials say more than 1,500 families were forced to evacuate in the province. Meanwhile, a bayan patroller caught on video Nika's onslaught in Difun, Quirino province. The storm also triggered power outages. In Nueva Vizcaya, a flooded bridge became impassable. Preemptive evacuations were conducted in at least 3 towns.
Saturated na po yung lupa natin, so inasahan po namin na pagka malakas na naman yung ulan ay maaaring magkaroon ng pagtaas ng level na tubig at magkaroon ng baha at saka mga posibleng landslide.
The storm also brought rains in Ilocos Norte. Preemptive evacuations were also conducted in several areas. In Lawag City, residents near a damaged dike were told to leave their homes. Over in Pangasinan, Dagupan City was not spared from rainfall. More than a dozen coastal municipalities are being monitored. Residents along the banks of the Agno River were also advised to be on alert.